Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to the Zhanqiao Scenic Area, which is basically a place that so many people come whenever they are in Qingdao. So I'm trying to find the location, but let me show you guys how the outside already looks. We can see some European style of like architecture here. This is the outside, and basically the exit I took is for the Qingdao railway station, exit G, which is basically on like that side. So basically what we're going to do is just go and see the place. It's one of the most like popular areas. This is one of like the best tea like companies out here in China, and their tea is pretty much like affordable. Doesn't this style look like 7-Eleven? But this one almost, it's called looks good. Almost, right? Yeah. Good. So we're just gonna wait for the traffic light, and then we can actually go. But yeah, Qingdao is actually beautiful, bro. Qingdao is pretty beautiful. Let's see. All right, we're going. There's some roads up there. Is that a church? That side? Not really sure. So these are the, if you see these kind of like yellow things, these are like power banks. Shared power banks, basically. They are everywhere. So I'm just following the people here. I'm just following everyone from the subway. Yeah. Actually, today is not that cold. Today is a little bit warm and pretty cool. Let's go to the beach and I'll show you guys. Wow, isn't this cool? I think we're somewhere very close to where we're gonna go. The European structures. There's a whole history of like Qingdao, and like Europeans used to live here some like years back and everything. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. Look at this. Ni hao. So, so I think we're here. Really beautiful. Sure. I don't know what that is right there, but there's a beach on this area, and these guys like take pictures. If you want to take some nice beautiful pictures, you can find so many older guys here who take them. Wow, everyone is here like to take pictures. Now the place we're going is there, a little bit far, but yeah, you guys can basically see the vibe here. It's pretty good because today there's not like many people actually, which is a good thing. And I actually bought my gloves thinking that it was gonna be very cold, because yesterday my hands were freezing when I was with my friend. But yeah, not today. So we're just gonna walk there. Wow, I think there are many people. There is another place I'm actually seeing. There's like a, what is it? Like a warship or something? Civilized Tourism Service Station of Qingdao. Wow, 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 wow. This is beautiful for sure. This is really beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is beautiful. So that's the place we're going. It's pretty famous here in Qingdao. And you know, you just walk around. There's so many people take pictures. 你好，拍个照多少钱？10块。对。Okay, okay. But anyway, it's only like 10 RMB to take a picture. And yeah, 10 RMB, that's like maybe $1 and like what, like 3 cents? It's not expensive. Not expensive. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. I'm just gonna go down here. Let me go. Go. 1 2. 你好. These are like shells, right? and like buckets and stuff. There's no sand here, it's basically only like rocks. Yeah, but so many people take pictures here for sure. So many. So many. I'm trying to find a better place to take a picture though. I think there has to be a better spot because up there, I'm not sure about that place because I want that to come in the background. What do you guys think? Like a phone picture or a camera picture? I like phone pictures because they kind of bring the whole vibe, and they're not like so good, but it's more like they carry the whole emotion and vibe. Like you don't have to be perfect to have a good picture. I don't know. You guys can let me know, but that's just how I feel. I just asked the guys who are selling the bread. Those are actually, it's real bread, but they are breadcrumbs. So what they do is they sell them to you, of course, and then you just feed them to the birds. And it's just like so many. Yeah, there's so many people who take pictures, man. And it's actually affordable if it's only like how much? Like 10 RMB, 20 RMB per picture. I mean, for something that you remember for basically forever, it's pretty cool, right? Yeah, so there are so many birds. If you buy the breadcrumbs and you just throw them like in the air, you have such a good time just like feeding the birds, and it's a whole vibe here. Yeah, those are like wedding pictures. That's actually pretty cool, right? That's pretty cool. Wow, there's so many people here. Let's keep going. That's our destination. That place is called Zhanqiao. Zhanqiao. There are so many places for like couple pictures and all that kind of stuff. There's so many birds today. So many birds. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Qingdao is like a city, right? But it's in a province called Shandong. And basically Shandong is one of like the beautiful provinces of China. There's so many other cities like Yantai, Weihai that also pretty much like close here. And so many people come here to like travel and, you know. Look at this. Look at that. All these birds. Let me zoom in a little bit. There's like a worship right like far on that side. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. This is so good. There's like a caution here. No leaning. Be careful of falling. I think even the waves are pretty like strong. The waves are pretty strong here. Man, Qingdao is so beautiful, man. Actually, this is my second time here, but the first time I came was in the summer. Crazy thing is when I arrived in the summer, like the next day, I fell sick for like basically the whole time I was here. And then I had to just leave. But after some time, thanks. Sir. All right. Yeah. So I just left and I didn't actually get time to visit and see. But yeah, this is a perfect time to come. There's like people, not very many, not few, just a good number to, go around and have fun and stuff. But look at this. Now 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 look at this. Oh, I think they're like some boats that they bring here, right? Because they're like some stairs. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Wow, look at this, bro. This is sick. Look at this. So the breadcrumbs I was telling you guys, you just buy them and you feed them to the birds. Yeah. Good. Right? Look at the waves and stuff. It's pretty good. Now this is the place we're actually going. I think we've arrived at our place here. Just to remind you guys, if you want to come here, right? If you arrive in Qingdao, go to the Qingdao railway station, the subway station for Qingdao railway station, and exit from exit G. On any day you'll find many people just coming. It's just like 5 minutes. It's a 5-minute walk from the Qingdao railway station, and basically you arrive here. So many people come here. It's a beautiful place for sure. Really beautiful. We just arrived at our destination, the Zhanqiao Pier. Very beautiful building. Looks more like a temple. I don't know, what do you guys think? Kind of, you know, Chinese architecture from the very ancient times. Okay, you can see some of the structures there. We have like dragons and, you know, like the dragon kind of like heads. This is beautiful. I think today is a bit like closed. It's maybe closed. Oh, look at the water here. So the waves hit the walls here, and this whole place is wet. The waves here are crazy. The waves are crazy here. Very, very crazy. Wow. I think if we even stay for long, we might see some of them, like, you know, hitting. So just walk around the place. Look at that. Look at that. That was crazy. Sorry. Look at this. Jeez. Yeah. So be careful of standing by the edges, because the water will basically, you'll get wet for sure. And this is in the winter, right? This is in the winter. So in the summer, I think in the summer it's even crazier, but yeah. So look at the architecture here. Okay, beautiful roofs. I don't think, can you see the inside? Yeah, so this is the place. This is basically the place. So beautiful. Look at the birds and everything. Yeah, this is a place. This could be the first place you come to when you come to Qingdao. Like maybe in the morning, and, you know, just walk around and see the beautiful places. I think the next spot we're going to is that place there. That whole place has like European architecture. It's close to the, let me zoom in. It's close to the military, like ships and stuff. So that's where I'm gonna go next. That's the next video. This is called the photo news, like retro. It's basically a machine that has a camera, and you can take pictures and look like you are in the newspaper. It's pretty much common now in very many areas like of China, like amusement parks and, like, you know, scenic areas and stuff. So we're gonna finish our video from here. Can you guys see me? Anyway guys, thanks for watching the video, and we're gonna go to the like European kind of like area that has so many like European architecture and stuff, and like the military boats and stuff. I'm not sure if we can get to the military area, but we can actually get to European like place. So thanks for watching guys. Stick around and let's go around in Qingdao together. Ciao.